It's okay po, we are here to party. Huwag po kayo mahiya, don't be shy. Tayo-tayo lang naman. Actually, the only outsiders here are us, the suppliers. But we're trying to be family tonight. Okay na po makipamilya sa inyo tonight? Yes, so sasayaw tayo with Ninong Redentor and Mama or Ninang Osmana Zorilla.
When we're in the river, start to play, dance with me.
Welcome po, thank you very much. Let's see naman, patingin naman if nandito si Ninang Concordio and Ninang Rose Pailaga. Sponsors natin. Alright, thank you so much po for being here. And of course, we would like to acknowledge Ninong Christopher and call with Ninang Conchita Hill. All the way from Australia. Thank you very much. Ma'am Conchita traveled all the way from Australia just to be here. Palakpakan naman natin. And her company also. Thank you so much. It's really amazing, guys. You must really, really love our newlyweds. Or you just wanna eat Filipino food. Depende. Ganun na din. Either of which. Now, let's see if andito si Ninong Leopoldo and Ninang Maria Pearly Pailaga. Later on, murag na nandiyo botilya din ano. Okay. Pero mga apil na po ni Ninong ha. Okay. Our next principal sponsor, andito ba si Ninong Herman Pailaga and Ninang Alain Bagsikan? Ang sexy naman, Ninang. We would also like to acknowledge Ninong Vincent and Ninang Anita Pailaga. Good evening, po. Thank you very much for coming. But okay lang yun, Nina. You look good solo. Next up, we also have Ninong Hans Cervaez and Ninang Chinky Noveloso. Thank you very much for saying yes. And completing our principal sponsors will be Ninong Jose Gacho and Ninang Lydia Pailaga. But anyways, we all had a good time with our principal sponsors, right? Kamu ba? Ready na mamusayaw? Uy, alam ko yung mga katipunan, taga-katipunan, gusto ni Manaya. May mga disco kayo. Nag-hire kayo ng lights and sounds para